request for statement regarding the disappearance of two Kenyan citizens in the Russian Federation. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order number 44.2c, I wish to request for a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations regarding disappearance of two Kenyan citizens in the Russian Federation. Honorable Speaker, Mr. Frank Anyono Mare, holder of passport number that and ID number that, and Mr. Kevin Momanyi Onderi, holder of ID number that, departed Kenya for the Russian Federation on the 20th of October 2025. According to information provided by the respective families, the last communication with the two individuals was on the 4th of December 2025. Since that date, the families have neither heard from them nor established contact with them, and their whereabouts remain unknown. The circumstances surrounding their disappearance have raised serious concerns regarding their safety and welfare. Further, the prolonged loss of communication has caused immense anxiety, distress, and uncertainty to their families. Honorable Speaker, it's against this background that I request for a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Defense, Intelligence and Foreign Relations on the following. 1. A report on the whereabouts of Mr. Frank Anyono Mare and Mr. Kevin Momanyi Onderi, including the measures taken by the government through the Kenyan Embassy in the Russian Federation to establish their place of residence and employment status. Number 2, the measures being taken by the government to safeguard the welfare of Kenyan citizens residing, working, or studying abroad, including protocols in place to assist those who are reported missing or in distress. And number 3, the measures put in place to strengthen the monitoring, protection, and consular support for Kenyans living abroad, particularly those traveling for employment or other engagements in unfamiliar jurisdictions. I thank you, Honorable Speaker.